Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Hetzner Cloud server using SSH, full guide step by step clearly. To connect to your Hetzner Cloud server using SSH, start by ensuring you have your server's IP address ready. Next, open your terminal on your local machine. If you're using Windows, you can use an application like PuTTY or Windows Subsystem for Linux. For Mac OS or Linux users, simply use the built-in terminal application. In your terminal, type the command SSH, followed by your username, and then the IP address of your server. Typically, the default username for Hetzner Cloud servers is root. For example, the command should look like this: ssh root at your _server. Press enter to execute the command. If this is your first time connecting to the server, you may see a prompt asking if you want to continue connecting. Type yes to continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully, as characters won't appear on the screen. Press enter after typing your password. Once authenticated, you will be logged into your Hetzner Cloud server. You can now begin configuring your server as needed. To enhance security, consider setting up SSH key authentication. Generate an SSH key pair on your local machine using the command SSH keygen. Follow the prompts to save the key in the default location. Once generated, use the command cat /ssh/id_rsa.pub to display your public key. Copy the entire public key to your clipboard. Log into your Hetzner Cloud server using your password again. Create a new directory for authorized keys with the command dir/p/.ssh. Then, open the authorized_keys file using a text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Paste your public key into the authorized_keys file. Save and exit the file. Now, restrict permissions to the .ssh directory and the authorized_keys file by log out of your server by typing exit and pressing enter. You can now try to connect again using SSH without a password by typing ssh root at your _server_IP. You have successfully connected to your Hetzner Cloud server using SSH. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.